Hi, welcome to Heart of the Home. We're here at Meadow Hall and Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with great Virginia food. And today we get some specials. We got a country ham, we got sweet potatoes. It's just marvelous. We got Virginia in a pancake. All right, so I've got some eggs cracked into here, and I'm going to add a little bit of flour. So I'm going to mix that up. We're really looking for a kind of pancake consistency. I'm going to add some sweet potato into there to help pull some of that stuff off the side. Now this is one of those kinds of recipes where you can be off a little bit on pretty much any part of it and still have a really excellent product. So I got these. Now I'm going to throw in a little bit of country ham, because Virginia is famous for its country ham. And I'm going to add some green onion tops. I think this might be able to use another egg, but we'll see. All right, so I got some green onion tops. I'm going to add that extra egg. Yeah, that's about right. That's about right. What we're looking for is something that I can spoon. Just take a spoonful out. So that's there, that's ready. I'm going to move over to this side. And I'm going to turn on the skillet. I'm going to add some of the olive oil. Now, depending on what you're going to cook, sometimes it's best to heat the pan and then add the oil. Other times it's best to add the oil and then heat the pan. In this one, I want the oil to go down into like the pores of the metal, so I wanted to start it cold, and as the pores expand, it'll pull that oil down into it. Now I've got this all mixed in. I can see if it'll take any more of the solids. I think I can put a little bit more of the ham in here. Right? And if I had anything else that I wanted to put in here, I could. This is a pretty flexible recipe. So, this isn't one that lends itself well to cheese. I wouldn't put cheese in it because of the saltiness of the ham. You'd probably want to stay away from that. And anything else that might be salty. The ham is got all the salt this recipe is going to need. Right? So, okay, and we're going to let them cook for a minute or so on one side, turn them over, and cook them a little bit on the other side. All right. So we're going to turn these over now. Okay, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to get the plate. I'm going to give these a couple of minutes to get hot all the way through. Since they're so thin, they're going to be already cooked pretty much. So they've risen up as far as they're going to rise. The eggs have cooked in the center. So now all we're worried about now is making sure that they're brown on the other side. So here we come. Okay, there we are. Country ham and sweet potato pancakes. That sounds like breakfast. It sounds like whenever I'm hungry. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.